Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, April 14th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We had an absolutely terrible day today. Um, you know, I didn't say another terrible day because we have had a lot of bad days, losing days. I can't even remember a day that we made any money anymore. It seems like forever that we've been going through this, but we haven't had really terrible days. But today was a terrible day. So it's just like, I can't believe this. I can't believe what's happening. I have cut my uh, automated managed accounts of friends and relatives that I trade. I have cut their exposure to 1/10 now, from 1/5 to 1/10, and that is based on the exposure that these accounts had on March 1st. And basically, this is just token trading, but it allows me to study these stocks and try to figure out what is happening without stampeding my friends and relatives who have entrusted their money to me. I continue to go for full bore with my account because I have resources that neither my customers nor my relatives and friends have. Anyway, so this is so bad, it's breathtaking. This is the Dow today, and it opened up basically unchanged and then just shot up the first 2 hours. This area up here, is probably about 3 hours there when it was up here. This is all-time record intraday highs for the Dow. Dow's never been higher than this area at the top of this curve. And yet on this day we are just being slaughtered, absolutely slaughtered. And then of course it did break down here and came back down, and this close is not an all-time record high, although it's not too far off the record high. But in this poll, but these stocks we traded today never were positive. They weren't positive up here. They're just terrible. And I didn't put this portfolio together with the idea that there were a bunch of terrible stocks. They're the most horrible stocks I've ever seen now in this current environment. It's just awful. Anyway, here are the statistics. We had negative $5,500 on the close yesterday. We closed those out actually with positive $1,300. So that was the only thing that happened good today. We got out of those negative stocks a little bit better, but the problem is we got into 14 new positions today. 14 new positions, 3 positive, 11 negative, and we were down $31,000 on those 14 positions. $31,000. One time today it was down 40,000. That's how bad it was. That's just horrible. It's terrible. And this is happening on a day the Dow makes record intraday highs. Unbelievable. Anyway, we had one good stock today, believe it or not, in GameStop. But I'm not going to show you GameStop because I'd have to show you the other stocks too. I mean, that would be really self-serving just to show you GameStop. And I can't I just can't look at those other charts. They're so terrible. So that's the way it went today. Oh, officially the Dow closed up 54 points today. Anyway, that's the way it went this horrible day. Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.